started, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Oh, and click that notification bell too. Please. Okay, so I have event number 2, which is a boys 12 and under 25-yard backstroke. Event number 4, which is a 12 and under 100-yard individual medley. I have event number 10, which is a boys 12 and under 50-yard freestyle. And then I have event number 12, which is the boys 12 and under 25-yard backstroke. Alright, we're on our way to the meet. See you there.
Looks to hopefully be a close race between lanes 4 through 7. Lane 5, Richardson comes in with a 25.43. Other lanes were all under 27. Outside lanes were 28. Richardson out of lane 5. Greater Kalamazoo's coming in with a 2:06.91. The other athletes are all coming in with new times. And if they can keep it legal, they'll be new bests. Lane 8's Delgado. He's coming in with a new time. And off to an early lead.
Go, Devin, kick! Kick!
He's into the breaststroke now. Delgado's coming in on the home stretch. Lane 7's Hughes coming also in with a new time in lane 7.
Go! Go! I can't hear me. He's tired.
Looks like he beat his time. Didn't you say it was 1-0?
No.
Oh.
Slow.
Fastest qualifying time on lane 5, 43.59. Outside lanes are looking to beat a 48.49.
Not keeping his head down.
Heat 6 boys, you're on deck. Heat 6 boys, you're on deck.
Yep, it's not keeping his head down. It's going to be slow.
Lane 3 was coming in with a 48. They looked the best at. Did.
Ridiculously slow.
Heat 6.
Oh, Devin!
Lane 5, Miles Harder's looking the best at 27.51. Zane, lane 4 is looking to do better than the 30, and Sakar looking to do better than the 30.07, lane 6. On deck, 12 and under 100-yard backstroke girls. On deck, 100-yard backstroke.
All right. Day 2 of the fall tune-up for the USA Swimming. How you feeling, Devin?
I'm cold and nervous to be even colder.
Yeah, you'll be fine. We'll turn the heat on in the car. How about that? So, yesterday did not turn out very good. It was kind of an off day for you. You had 4 events. You didn't win one. You won your individual medley event, but
Because
all 4 events you were in, you were kind of off your pace. But today we're gonna do better, right? Boop. Everybody has off days. It's all right. We bounce back today. All right. So what's your events? You got 4 more today. What do you got?
so my first event is event 34
Mm-hmm.
because of yesterday,
Yep.
and it is a boys 12 and under 25-yard butterfly.
Butterfly. Cool.
Butterfly.
Butterfly.
Which I might be good at because
Actually, yeah, your butterfly time yesterday was pretty good. It was actually pretty fast. So,
except it was a medley.
yeah, it was a medley, so it doesn't count. So we'll see. What's the next one? Right there.
38, which is a boys 12 and under 50-yard breaststroke.
Ooh, that'll be fun.
And then I have event 42, which is a boys 12 and under 25-yard. Wait. Did it
Yeah, you should have 2 25-yard events. Yeah, that's right. Yeah,
Oh,
25-yard
okay.
freestyle.
25-yard freestyle.
Yep. And then your last one.
Is 46, which is boys 12 and under 50-yard back.
Yeah, cool. You've done that one before. You can see your seed time there. What is it? 58, 54. Cool. All right. Well, that's it. Let's get you ready to go. Let's have a better day than yesterday. All right? High five. High head. High head. Bonk.
Easton in lane 5 coming in with that fast seat time, 105.06. Lanes 3, 4, 7, 8 gonna set first and best today.
that is another swim meet in the books. That was day 2, and day 2 went way better than day 1.
Yeah, I had 2 good moments.
2 good moments. You had more than that,
in
but
my,
yeah.
In my 50 breaststroke, I think it was my 50 breaststroke, not my 50 free. I had a good dive. Like, I had my hands
Oh, yeah?
and my feet together, and I pushed up hard. I went far.
I'll have to look and see because I did not see that.
person was under me.
Okay.
And
Well, is that the trick now? We just have to make sure that there's someone in the pool under the block so that you'll actually jump and push off? Is that going to be the trick? Yep, I guess so. Well, no, yeah, you did really good. You did. I don't know where you finished.
my
And-
second moment,
Okay, go on.
my second good moment was the backstroke. Like, I went really high when I pushed off.
Yeah, your backstroke start was good, and your backstroke flip turn looked really good. It looked really good. Like you did the right arm, you did the right motion, everything.
And that's my second one.
Mhm.
And the flip turn.
And by the way, you beat your best time in the backstroke 50 event. So congratulations, you got a new personal best there. Your 25 free, you won the 25 free event. No personal best there, but it was still really close. So good job there. That was actually the fastest you've done all season long.
Then why did I get a heat winner?
Because there were older kids in the heat. You got to remember they set this up for 12 and under, so they were like anywhere between. Well, it was you, yes, but there were also up to 12-year-old kids in the pool with you, and obviously they compete in a different category, but they will still steal all of your heat wins away from you. It's kind of lame, but it is what it is. Anyway, let's roll the credits, and we'll get ready for your next meet, which should be 2 weeks from now. And yeah, tell everybody thank you for watching.
Thank you.
Tell everybody like, share, and subscribe.
Like, share, and subscribe.
All right, tell everybody bye.
And click that notification bell.
That's it. And tell everybody bye. All right, bye, folks.